Alright guys, I'm going to quickly just show you how you get into a Zoom conference. Since YouTube may end up being a obstacle to get over due to copyright issues, I won't be able to show worksheets because even though I have double checked to make sure they're not copyright issues, I don't think, because of the crisis with COVID, and it's just going to be too much of a hassle to deal with. So we're just going to deal with it by basically showing you how to do a Zoom conference. I'm going to be able to do the same thing. I can show you guys everything on there, but I know the issue is everybody's going to have trouble getting on. So up here in the top right corner, if you have the FileWave install software, some people don't have that. As soon as it pops up, please go ahead and install everything. Like, I'm going to go ahead and install everything. You should see ZoomUS.app. Alright, once you see that, please make sure you install that. Otherwise, you'll not be able to get on there. But I will show you an alternative way in case the FileWave does not come up. If it's not coming up, you should be able to still get on. I'll still show you the alternative way to get on regardless. Alright, so if you don't have the FileWave up here like I do, and you're getting really frustrated because you're on this screen and you can't get a pop-up to show the, basically the video link so you can see me and what I'm teaching for the day, because I'll be teaching poetry this week. You'll probably get really frustrated. Well, I'm getting ready to show you where you can go to be the alternate way to actually be able to join in. So right here where it says, if you cannot download or run the application, start from your browser. This is your big area right here, okay? Click on that. It's also your name, type in your name, say join audio from your computer. You can say start. Down here is where you can say join audio, start video. This will at least allow you to join the meeting without necessarily, in case the FileWave, for some of y'all said it was not there, and it must have been because you've already installed, or it just was not popping up because we're at home and we're just having to be patient with each other. I'm being patient with you, be patient with me, and I promise we will all get through this together. So this is the alternative way. I'll do it a little bit quicker this time to show you guys how you do it. If you get an email from me, you click join. This is the one from last week, just pretending. Alright, we're just going to say cancel for now. If you cannot get, so you can have the pop-up screen because you cannot get the FileWave, write down, we can, of course, it's not going to pop up. There we go. If after a few minutes, you have to kind of click around, get things work, but it will pop up in small print. You just saw it kind of appear. It says if you cannot download or run the application, start from your browser. That way it'll join from your meeting and you can just join right in. And at the bottom left corner is where you control your audio and your video. Please make sure your video cameras or the webcams are not covered up so you can join in, and that way that we can see you. We'll see about how I'm going to try to upload our conferences, because I do not want to break laws with showing kids' faces. I'll see if I can do them unlisted on YouTube. That's why I hadn't uploaded the one from last week, and also because it was so big I couldn't get it onto my computer. So that's the reason why it was really slow for me to get it up. I may not even have it up at this point on YouTube because I had so many issues. We'll just see how it all goes. Alright, so this was just a quick tutorial on how to get onto Zoom. Alright, bye guys.